Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a proposal on ChatGPT in just few steps. So first and first, you need to go to chatgpt.com. Okay. So once you're on chatgpt.com, we're going to put our prompt. So I've got my proposal and 1, 2, 3. All right. So write a detailed proposal on the following research topic. Make sure it is free from plagiarism. So we're gonna input this and we're gonna send it out and see what it gives us back. There we go. This looks good. Okay, so we've got our answer and this looks good. You know, we have a research proposal, we have an heading, introduction, subheadings, background, postpartum. Alright, so what we need to do is tell ChatGPT to be write it in like in another form. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna input another write up and see what it brings. So this is another prompt we're gonna use. This is too summarized. We type the same document, but make sure it is more detailed, and let's see what ChatGPT can give us. Okay, with our relationship satisfaction. All right, it's done. So let's see what we have. It looks more, detailed research question on writing. So now we're gonna add more citations and more references. So we're gonna type it in and see what ChatGPT gives us. Okay, so we've typed this in and now we're gonna send it and see what ChatGPT gives us. Alright. Okay, now that it's done writing, you want to scroll up and check everything for yourself. Read it thoroughly. So after you're done reading, you want to copy this and save it, and you can copy it and save it inside Microsoft Word. You can just put it in there, then we'll come back to add more. Okay, so now we're gonna add a new prompt for the above proposal. Create a 2-page detailed literature review. All right, so we've got introduction. So our review has been written. Now we just gotta copy everything and paste it in Microsoft Word. So once you paste it in Microsoft Word, you need to read through it from section to section to make sure there's no mistakes or anything, to check for reference everything. So I'm gonna copy this. Alright, so we've copied everything into Microsoft Word. Go through it, background, delete things that you don't need. You've gone through everything and you're fine and perfectly fine with what you have. Now we're gonna save it in PDF format. So you can either enter Control S or go to Files, then go to Save As. Okay, this PC, then you can save it. You can put in desktop or documents, whatever works for you. Alright, so we're gonna save it in a PDF format right here. So then you can name it and save and click save. Let's see what the final result looks like. Alright, there we are. So research proposal. Okay, so this is what our final result looks like. So if you gain something from this tutorial, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, whatever you don't understand in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.